Hello and welcome to Groundwater Week 2017 here at the Music City Center in Nashville, Tennessee. We at Groundwater TV proud to be a part once again of what is going to be an incredible couple of days of a great deal of education, information, and a great networking opportunity. So you're going to look for us, Groundwater TV, all around the convention floor and also kind of the place for you to find out what's going on, what you need to make sure to attend, and those events that you absolutely don't want to miss. Groundwater TV, we're proud to be a part of Groundwater Week 2017. One of the great things about Groundwater Week is the opportunity to network, meet other people, and also compare best practices, and an opportunity for you to be a part of shaping what the future of the groundwater industry looks like right here at Groundwater Week 2017. The Industry Best Suggested Practices work sessions. There are 3 of these opportunities, one taking place Wednesday from 2 to 3 in 209A. That is for well operation and maintenance. And then on Thursday from 1 to 2, also in 209A, is adjunct storage. Once again, an opportunity for the industry's best suggested practices and an opportunity to compare notes. Groundwater Week 2017 here in booth 725 with our friend Jeff Frank from Franklin Electric. You always have some neat things in here. Tell us about the True Blue experience and also the exhibit that we're in front of here.
Sure. At Groundwater Week, Franklin always looks forward to this time to be able to connect with new partners, but also to reconnect with our old dealers and old friends. So this year we're highlighting the True Blue experience in our booth, where we want to take people through our exhibit and show them that working with Franklin is more than just a product. It's about training and service and about teaching tools and really about helping them to become better at their business. So one of those ways is through innovation. We're launching a new product that's called the MagForce Permanent Magnet Motor System. This product, we view that as a revolutionary product for the submersible motor industry. This is a 6-inch submersible motor. It's built using our sand fighter construction, which is a tried and true design that's been proven over the years for its ability to last in well applications. But we've upgraded it with a 10 to 12% efficiency boost, where we find that customers using this are going to pay back their investment in many cases in less than a year.
Wow, that's awesome. Booth 725, that's where you'll find Jeff and all the good folks at Franklin Electric. One of the great things about Groundwater Week is the opportunity to hear some incredible lectures taking place as the best and the brightest in the industry get together and share their thoughts about what's taking place now, but also the future of the groundwater industry. 2017 NGWA Foundation Darcy Lecture Farewell Presentation is going to take place on Wednesday, December 6th from 1:30 to 2:30 in the Davidson Ballroom. You'll get to listen to Dr. Kamini Singha there. And then the McElhaney Distinguished Lecture Series in Water Well Technology. The farewell presentation will be immediately following 2:50 to 3:50, also in the Davidson Ballroom. That's going to feature Michael Schneider. So again, a great opportunity. Don't miss that. The Darcy Lecture and also the McElhaney Lecture, both taking place in the Davidson Ballroom.
The Baker Monitor Locking Watertight Well Cap is proudly made in our plant in Evansville, Wisconsin. From the early stages of design to the pouring of heavy-duty cast iron in our foundry and onto assembly and quality control, these well caps are a leader in the industry. The Monitor well caps are designed to securely seal on both steel and PVC well casings. A rubber gasket between the cap and ring provides a watertight seal. The deep pocket forged into the lid provides increased clearance for the pump cable. The hinged locking feature gives secure protection from unauthorized or unwanted access, and yet allows for a simple installation. Personalization options are available as either cast-in or an engraved tag riveted to the lid. This cap conforms to the stringent testing of Water Systems Council. Baker Monitor well caps have a high-quality powder coat finish and stainless steel hardware. Our Haas ST45 CNC lathe is a heavy-duty lathe capable of handling the wide range of parts we manufacture. It is equipped with a 7-inch big-bore spindle powered by a 55-horsepower motor, the biggest spindle motor available for this machine size. The Haas lathe is a workhorse, capable of heavy-duty cutting with extreme rigidity, allowing for the tightest of tolerances on parts of all sizes. Edits and program changes are quick and easy, and it's equipped with a mist fume collector that keeps the work environment cleaner and safer for the operator. Baker utilizes a work cell workflow. Machines can operate simultaneously with only one operator. Multiple parts machining make it possible for the operator to alternately load and check parts in each machine. This cell workflow greatly increases productivity and takes advantage of the expertise of our highly skilled and experienced machine operators. Our Haas VF2 mill is a CNC vertical mill designed for speed and accuracy. The mill is equipped with a Cat 40 spindle operating at 8100 RPM. The high RPMs allow for high-speed machining of the most complex parts. This modern mill provides optimal tool-to-part machining efficiency. Baker's metrology lab uses highly accurate measurement equipment, which is calibrated annually in accordance to ISO standard 10360. The CMM obtains and records measurement data on part geometry, utilizing an indexable touch and scanning probe. This probe obtains 3D cloud data and performs a precise comparison of the measured surface with the corresponding CAD data. A report is generated that compares the part to the drawing to ensure all measurements conform to print dimensions and tolerances. The Baker Monitor 6-inch well cap is another fine product proudly manufactured by Baker Water Systems in the USA. It is sure to provide you with years of safe and secure sealing of your water well. When it comes to safety and the entry of unwanted contaminants to your water well, Baker Water Systems is always the industry leader.
During Groundwater Week 2017, a booth you're certainly going to want to visit, Franklin Electric's booth here at 725, here with Jeff Frank. Good to see you again. I want you to tell us about the True Blue experience. What's that all about?
Sure, Dave. The True Blue experience is something where Franklin Electric is trying to convey to our customers that we're a partnership. So we always look forward to Groundwater Week. It gives us a chance to see our old friends and meet new partners at the same time. So at our booth, we have a True Blue experience where you can come and see that Franklin's about education and training and service. We've continued to develop our solar product line. Right. This past year, 2017, we've come out with 3 new advancements within the solar line, all of them for the Photon solar drive here. The first advancement is we have a backup power source. So if you need to run a generator AC backup, we have a box that will allow you to do that. The second thing is a new pump style. We have a helical rotor pump style that are really good for places where you need more pressure and less flow. And then the third thing we've come out with is a Wi-Fi module that allows you to capture data, change the programming, or log what's happening in the system so you can always monitor how it's running. So those 3 innovations are new in the booth.
An incredible partner with the National Groundwater Association, the folks at Franklin Electric. Again, don't forget, come see Jeff and the good folks at Franklin Electric in booth 725. Groundwater Week 2017 is going incredibly well, getting some great feedback on all of the great networking opportunities and just the opportunity to talk shop with so many others that excel in the groundwater industry. But already we're looking forward to next year. Next year, Groundwater Week 2018 will return to Las Vegas, Nevada. And how would you like the opportunity to win a free trip there? You'll get the opportunity to do so at the wrap party taking place Thursday from 1:30 to 3 p.m. Win a trip to next year's Groundwater Week, plus the opportunity to hear the sounds from some local Nashville musicians. Always an event that you don't want to miss. The wrap party coming up on Thursday afternoon. Groundwater Week 2017 here with Jeff Frank in booth 725, where you'll find Franklin Electric. Good to see you again. I want you to tell us about what the True Blue experience is all about with you guys.
Sure, Dave. We always look forward to Groundwater Week at Franklin Electric. It's always a great time for us to meet up with our old partners, make new friends, and really just show people what it's like to do business with Franklin, which is why we're highlighting the True Blue experience this year. So at Franklin, it's more about service and education and training. One of those things, too, that goes into the True Blue experience is also product innovation. So here we're showing off a new product. It's called the SubDrive Utility. Now, what the SubDrive Utility, it's a variable frequency drive, or a VFD drive, that's used to control water systems. And this one is targeted right at residential water systems. It's targeted for 1/3 through 1.5 horsepower motors. We're using a weatherproof enclosure designed to be a product that can be used for 2-wire motor systems in either new installations or retrofit.
All right, Franklin Electric, you're going to want to make sure that this is one of the booths you make your way to, 725, right here on the floor of Groundwater Week 2017. Each and every year during Groundwater Week, you have the opportunity to give back. That opportunity afforded on Thursday afternoon at the NGWA Foundation auction. Now, this year's auction will take place at the NGWA booth in the exhibit hall. The NGWA Foundation auction taking place Thursday, December 7th from 12 to 1 at the NGWA booth in the exhibit hall.